The world is a global market, and that's why we're here to put you on that map. The marketplace is here to showcase you to the world. If you have a business or event, product or service, look no further because we're here to put you on the map. Welcome to the market.
Hello, there you are. I am Lise Ameye, and you are watching Marketplace and Events, the place where you can showcase your programs, products, and even your birthdays. Is it church occasions? Whatever it is, you can bring it right here. Waiting to see you and to hear from you. Keep watching Marketplace and Events every Saturdays and Sundays. See you there.
What's up, everybody? I am Olayede Juliana Oluwatobiloba. Yes, I'm Yoruba for those of you that have been asking me, Boya, I'm an Igbo girl. No, I am not an Igbo girl. Anyway, I'm an Hollywood actor, and I just want to tell you to keep watching the Marketplace and Events every Saturdays and Sundays. Don't miss it.
Invite you to make Sur Express Hotel your option wherever life takes you or on your next journey to Lagos, Nigeria. Visit Sur Express Hotel.
There's no better place to be.
Our lives have changed. No more handshakes.
No more hugs.
No more parties.
No more social gathering.
And the list goes on.
We are at war.
We are under attack.
Against an unseen enemy.
We didn't pick this fight.
But we will win this war.
COVID-19 is deadly.
COVID-19 is a killer.
COVID-19
kills without mercy.
COVID-19 is evil.
It does not respect age.
It does not respect
power,
money,
position,
personality, responsibilities.
It simply does not care who you are.
COVID-19 gives you cough.
It attacks your lungs.
Gives you very high fever.
It will make you suffer.
It will make you cry.
It will scare you to death.
Then, just then, it will humble you.
And you will appreciate that.
Coronavirus has affected
millions of people
and has killed thousands of people all over the world.
When you catch it,
you may be
asymptomatic
and not know that you have it.
And you would then pass it on
to someone else without even knowing.
So therefore, stay at home.
Please do your bit
to stop the spread of this deadly virus.
If you feel any symptoms,
call the emergency line
and self-isolate for at least 14 days.
Wash your hands,
maintain social distancing,
and save lives.
We will win this war, whatever it takes.
No ifs,
no buts.
We simply have to win. Full stop.
This message is supported by the UK Nollywood Producers Guild.
Do not engage in self-medication. Stay home if you are ill, and collectively, let's prevent and stop coronavirus.
Hi, my name is Veronica Folorenshaw. I'm an entrepreneur and I'm the executive producer of the new movie in town, Stepping Into Maggie's Shoe. If you have products and services you want to promote or you have an event you want the world to see, you need to bring it on Marketplace and Event, showing every Saturday and Sunday. Marketplace and Event, showing on every Saturday and Sunday is the right place for you to be now.
Hello and welcome once again. This is the COVID-19 update from Nigeria. I am Tomi Singoju. Keep watching the Marketplace and Events. On today's story, we start with President Muhammadu Buhari has announced the appointment of a new chief of staff. The president chaired the maiden virtual meeting of the Federal Executive Council at the council chamber of the presidential villa Abuja, where he unveiled Ibrahim Gambari as his new chief of staff. This week on the show, one of the things we did explore is to find out how people generally have coped with the lockdown and the resumption back to work. We looked at people who are in the showbiz business. Of course, we spoke to an actor and his wife who is an administrator, and they'll be telling us exactly how COVID-19 has treated them and affected their relationship. We also looked at a student, a young person, how have they coped at a time like this, an employer of labor, to see how they have all coped. So you'll be listening to those interviews right after that.
My name is Akingwe Imalayo. I want to talk about the lockdown, how it has affected me in so many ways. I trek from Kara to Seteria because nobody to help because of the COVID-19. So, and I need to go to work every day because I'm in an essential duty. So nobody to help. I only trek. Nobody to help from the car. I trek, even though if they saw you trekking, they won't even stop to help you. So, and I know you will overcome it.
So it's no news that COVID-19 has affected almost everybody, but how it has affected me and my friends, we always hang out every month, but because of COVID-19 and social distancing, we've not been able to hang out. But we are very grateful for technology. We've been able to meet online, WhatsApp, chat, discuss, talk about trending topics, even host birthday parties on Zoom, which is fairly okay. But the bond of physical touching has not been strong like it used to be. But so hopefully COVID-19 would end and a vaccine will come and the world will be cured, so we can all go back to where we were and be happy and hang out and go for parties and go to the beaches and go for O1B.
Alright then, yes, and we're here to talk about our experience during this lockdown, alright? Almost 8 weeks now. But let me start from my wifey. What's up?
It was shocking when we heard about the pandemic. At first, we thought it was not something that would come to us, affect children in school, but we had to all leave school. I was happy to leave school because, we're not equipped to handle the spread amongst children. But now I feel so tired. I've been at home for 8 weeks. I've added weight. I'm tired. We've been doing some online classes, trying to keep the children busy, trying to get into new skills, trying to learn a lot, trying to adjust to the new normal. It's not very easy, but
Yeah, it's a new life that we all have to live. Yes, for me as an actor, it's a good time to be home with my children, my family. You know, as an actor, you have to go from one location to another and all that. But this 8 weeks, I've been home with them, all right? I've been cooking for them. They've been enjoying my cooking, all right? And of course, it's a time for me to build on my own physical fitness. Are you with me? You can see now. And of course, to try to change my look and to be closer to my wife, you know? So, these are things we've been trying to juggle for the past 8 weeks, and it's been exciting. As much as I really want to go back to work, really, I want to go back to work. Yeah. But then, I think it's just good for us to still stay safe, all right? Let's stay indoors, let's stay home. Yeah. And of course, I want to seize this opportunity to say a big shout out. Thank you to all our health workers
all the
for all that
workers.
they do.
Those
Thank you so much.
Essential services, the government, the presidential task force. Thank you. We appreciate your good work.
This pandemic, actually COVID-19, has further strengthened the way we work because it's a new normal. What is important about that is the fact that you need to find a new level to work with your employees. And as an employer of labor and a media personality, what I do understand is that some of us are actually meant to be on the road so that we can gather news. However, many of our team members who are not on essential services like news writing or presentation, they have to work from home because they are support service, people. But what is important also is the fact that keeping them, to be alive and well is also about encouraging them to take the necessary precaution. And for me, that has been an encouraging thing for me and then for them. And to be honest, my personal secretary, especially this period, had a baby almost about 4 or 5 months ago, and then she couldn't even resume. But I made sure that she got everything that she deserved to be able to stay well. And that for me is very important. And we need to also understand that employees most times don't even want to think about what the employers are going through. Neither do employees or employers as well. So it's a two-way thing, really. So we all need to, put our shoulder down for each other, so that we can lean on them. And that has actually helped me to cope with my employees this period. It's been cordial, it's been quite eventful, it's been a relationship that I can always define as being meaningful, and post-COVID-19 that we can go forward to look at how we work in this new normal.
For me, Akin Fatunke COVID-19 and how it has affected me, my siblings, my friends, has been a mixed bag, but more of the bag is towards the fact that we found a new forward, a new way of doing things. Technology has greatly enhanced our capacity to interact with one another, irrespective of the various geographies that we belong to. And apart from the physical meeting, we don't feel that level of physical meeting anymore, since we can do a Zoom, a Microsoft Team, and we can see one another, so to speak. And we can exchange information, we can exchange banters, birthdays, and if any is feeling a bit low, we can all rally around, and we can stay in our various places and pray without necessarily having to go to physical churches and what have you. So it's been great. It's been quite educative. We have been able to reach out to the less privileged in our various arms. I've had to tell my siblings and my friends to do the same in their neighborhoods. We are now able to relate a bit more with our environment, give back to the environment, and at the press of a button. Of course, the data costs would have gone up, but in terms of the physical traveling and what have you, when you weigh all that together, it's been a net plus. So education-wise, health, we need to listen to anybody all over the world. Yes, we can do it in the confines of our homes. So it's a new beginning, and it's also a new revelation. We are beginning to see the real character of people.
Social distancing is not enough. Wear your face mask. Wear your face mask is what we have told them. Consider everybody positive until proven otherwise. This face mask is to prevent you from the person on the street, is also to prevent the person on the street from you. Coronavirus at times can be on people and they have no symptoms or signs. The Lagos State government from Monday has said this is compulsory, in addition to social distancing.
My name is Ayola Abiodun. I'm from a Vigilante Group of Nigeria, and we are here. We've gained some lectures about COVID-19. Actually, we've been hearing about COVID-19 before, but today is a great day, which our Lagos State, our amiable Governor Sanwo-Olu, have offered us that they should give us more lectures about how to prevent ourselves. Today they teach us about social distancing and how to prevent COVID-19 in all our area.
The legations is for us to continue to stay safe. Together, we're stronger together, and when we work together, we can get maximum benefit of fighting this virus.
The lockdown came as a surprise to everybody, including myself. Even though we've been hearing about the coronavirus that originated from Wuhan, China, we never knew that it's going to get to a point where everybody will have to go and stay in the house without coming out at all. So as a real estate consultant, my work involves sitting down in the office, going out in the field for inspection, and coming back to go and write reports and all that. So the first place that I had my greatest shock is that I couldn't come in contact with my clients because most of them are expatriates. And we know that most of the people who brought coronavirus to Nigeria are expatriates. So that's enclosed. And once you're not in contact with your clients as a professional, your source of income is closed.
This lockdown, it's not an issue to talk about it at all. It has affected me tremendously, both my family and the business. You know, the kind of business that we are doing, money comes in and then there's some money also we invest it back. But since that lockdown, we have not seen anything. In fact, to eat in a day, in fact, it's by the grace of God.
The numbers as we have it today states that in Nigeria, 146 new cases was discovered in the last couple of hours, bringing the total number of confirmed cases today, the 13th of May, to 4,787. Now, Lagos, again, as the epicenter of the virus, got about 57 new cases. Kano, the next on the list, got about 27 new cases, and Kwara got the next highest number, which was 10. Now, with the number of cases that we have in Nigeria right now, it means that Nigeria needs to begin to do a lot of things to improve on the level of treatment across board, and of course on the issue of finding more isolation centers. And so the Nigerian Minister of Health, Dr. Sage Hanuri, has announced that more private hospitals will be accredited to be able to cater to COVID-19, thereby treating some of the COVID-19 patients that would be, going there for treatment. This, of course, there are going to be parameters to doing that, but we expect that those parameters would be made known so that not just every private hospital begins to do same. So there are parameters, we expect that will be made public as soon as we begin to hear the names of the private hospitals that have been accredited for that purpose. This is all in a bid to ensure that we do not run totally out of space to be able to cater to the increasing number of patients across the country. That's it on today's show. We do hope that you did enjoy it. Next week we'll be giving you again another update on what has happened with COVID-19 in Nigeria. Hopefully we'll have more positive news from Nigeria, and of course we'll be speaking with another CEO to see exactly what has happened. Remember that by next week we would have had 2 weeks of the new curfew and the lifting of the lockdown in Lagos, in Abuja, and in Ogun State. And Ogun State, of course, will be back to work, hopefully, if their governor does not extend the lockdown. Don't forget that lots of states across Nigeria, on a personal note, are still on a lockdown, even though the federal government has allowed them to go to work, but majority of them are still on a lockdown because of the increase in the number of cases in their own community. So every governor is taking the decision as the situation does arise. But in Lagos, we are coping with Mask Up Lagos and trying to find out if that system is working. By Monday, we'll be expecting that we'll have a briefer review of some sort. The question now is, are we going back to the lockdown, or are we continuing with status quo? I am Tomi Siojo. Keep watching the marketplace and events on bentv, and remember to follow us on all of our social media handles on Facebook, Instagram. Remember the handle is TNPN Events on Twitter, on YouTube, on Facebook, and of course on Instagram. Do enjoy the rest of your evening, and bye for now.
Hello, my people. My name is Femi Jacobs, stuck in London in a lockdown, like a confused immigrant. But I want to tell you about a show on bentv. It's called The Marketplace and Events. If you have any events in the UK and you want to make it visible, or you have products and services you want to advertise, holler at them. Marketplace and Events shows on bentv every Saturdays and Sundays. Don't miss it.
Wherever life takes you, whenever you find yourself in Lagos, or every time you want to come to Lagos, the place to rest, the place to stay is Suru Express Hotel. Awesome hospitality, amazing dinner to end your day, or even breakfast to start your day. At Suru Express Hotel, we have something for everyone, and there's no better place to be. Peradventure, you find yourself in another part of Lagos and suddenly you want to stay very close to the island, but not the island. You can go to our Surulere branch at plot 104, Muritala Animation Close, Surulere, Lagos. Same hospitality. Or you visit our Ikeja branch at 49A Joel Ogunaike Street, Ikeja GRA, Lagos. Just 5 minutes away from the international airport. I promise you, you won't regret your stay, for there's no better place to be.
You are watching the Marketplace and Events.
Our lives have changed. No more handshakes.
No more hugs.
No more parties.
No more social gathering.
And the list goes on.
We are at war.
We are under attack.
Against an unseen enemy.
We didn't pick this fight.
But we will win this war.
COVID-19 is deadly.
COVID-19 is a killer.
COVID-19 kills without mercy.
COVID-19 is evil.
It does not respect age.
It does not respect
power,
money, position,
personality,
responsibilities.
It simply does not care who you are.
COVID-19 gives you cough.
It attacks your lungs.
Gives you very high fever. It will make you suffer. It will make you cry.
It will scare you to death.
Then, just then, it will humble you.
And you will appreciate that.
Coronavirus
has affected
millions of people
and has killed thousands of people all over the world.
When you catch it,
you may be
asymptomatic and not know that you have it.
And you would then pass it on
to someone else without even knowing.
So therefore, stay at home.
Please do your bit
to stop the spread of this deadly virus.
If you feel any symptoms,
call the emergency line
and self-isolate for at least 14 days.
Wash your hands,
maintain social distancing,
and save lives.
We will win this war, whatever it takes.
No ifs,
no buts.
We simply have to win. Full stop.
This message is supported by the UK Nollywood Producers Guild.
Hi, my names are Eukarya Angonobi, the Nollywood superstar. Now you are watching the Marketplace and Events. You can bring your products, services, events, wedding, birthdays, parties, chieftaincy title, even your ordination to the Marketplace and Events every Saturday and Sunday. So keep watching the Marketplace and
events.
Hello, beautiful people. This is your girl Funke Akindele Bello, aka Jennifer. Sulia Ken, Bobo Ben's TV Ken. Actually, it's all about Marketplace on Saturday and Sunday 3 p.m. Don't miss it.
Shining G on the beat.
Àjàkálẹ̀ àrùn o. Malo. Coronavirus. Malo. Ẹ pariwo Lassa fever o. Malo. Coronavirus. Malo. Oníyàlé mi tọrọ ọmọ Jésù láíláí. Oníwọlé mi tọrọ ọmọ Jésù. Àjàkálẹ̀ àrùn o. Malo. A ò fẹ́ onílẹ̀ yìí o. Malo. Coronavirus. Malo. I declare your time is up. Malo. Oníyàlé mi tọrọ ọmọ Jésù. Láyé oníwọlé mi tọrọ ọmọ Jésù. Bíbélì ló sọ pé kúkúrú kan kò ní wọlé mi. Àrùnkárùn kan kò ní súnmọ́ àgọ́ mi. Mo ń gbé bí kọ̀kọ̀ ọ̀gá ògo. Bíbélì mi ló sọ pé kúkúrú kan kò ní wọlé mi. Àrùnkárùn kan ò ní súnmọ́ àgọ́ mi. Mo ń gbé bí kọ̀kọ̀ ọ̀gá ògo. Coronavirus. Malo nílẹ̀ yìí o. Àlàáfíà kò dé báyé o. Aládé àlàáfíà gba ìjọba.
Weeping may endure for a night, behold, joy cometh in the morning.
Hello, my name is Opeyemi Akitunde, writer of Deep Thought Novels. I am a novelist and a filmmaker, and you're watching The Marketplace and Events on bentv. Wait, what are you about to do? No. Stay glued every Saturday and Sunday on bentv. Keep shining. God bless you.
Hello, beautiful people. This is your girl Funke Akindele Bello, aka Jennifer. Sulia Ken, Bobo Ben's TV Ken. Actually, it's all about Marketplace on Saturday and Sunday 3 p.m. Don't miss it.
Hi, I'm Joseph Benjamin, and you're watching The Marketplace. If you want to be well informed about the marketplace, it doesn't matter what your business is. This is where you get everything you need to be well informed. The marketplace. You want to be very good in business? Whatever business it is, they've got you covered. The marketplace. Advertise your business. Get connected to a lot of businesses.
My name is Evangelist Dr. Bolare, and I'm telling you to keep on watching The Marketplace on bentv.
So much again for watching The Marketplace. You know what we do here best at The Marketplace. We are here to showcase you to the world. Yes, we are here to put you on the global market. So if you have an event, product or service that you want the world to see, look no further. Just call the number on the screen and we'll be there to put you on that map. So on behalf of the director, Mr. Shegun Akimide, my name is Phoebe Daudu. Thank you for watching The Marketplace and do have a good weekend.